Welcome back. Now that you have basic Skype set up, you'll want to first make sure that your devices are set. And typically by default, you'll have a mic and you'll have some kind of audio, and that'll all be set up here. You'll need to select your devices, and especially those that you would use in order to broadcast. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your admin panel. You're then going to go to Teams and Skype. But once you are inside of Teams and Skype, you are going to go to the Legacy portal. And once you're at the Legacy portal, you're going to click on Online Meetings. You'll then want to click on Broadcast Meetings. And you're going to want to make sure that you are enabled for Skype meeting broadcast. Once you do that, you will then click Save. The one helpful thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure to put in your help desk support URL for your attendees. Once you do that, you can go to Google or you can go to this URL, broadcast.skype.com, which is the Skype meeting broadcast. You'll want to click that link. You will then be at the Skype meeting portal, and what you'll do is you'll then click New Meeting, and then you'll set the parameters for your meeting. You can determine what kind of access to the content you're going to have. In most cases, what you'll do is you will allow people to attend anonymously with no sign-in. You can choose to create a video recording. You can choose to have the video transcribed. Once you've done that, you'll then click Create Meeting. Now, if you want to customize your attendee page, you can do that here at this Customize link. What you're going to do is you're going to click this Join link. You're then going to pick up this entire link. And when you get ready to start your meeting, or prior to the meeting, what you can do is you can take this link and you can go to your web browser. And when you get to this link, what you can do is you can then sign in as an event team member. The application will then open up your Skype for Business. You will then click Open Link. To use the audio-visual tools for Skype for Business, you will leave this default setting. You will then click OK. You can then choose what kind of content you want to add. You can then share your PowerPoint files. Once your content is uploaded, what you can do is make sure that your mic is unmuted. What you'll do then is you'll choose the content. And once you have chosen your content, you can then start your broadcast. Once you click the link, you'll then start your broadcast. You're going to get a message saying it's going to start, and then your broadcast will actually start. And you can begin going through your slides and anything else that you're going to want to do. Once you complete the meeting, you can go to this right-hand corner. You can then end your Skype meeting. You'll get a message saying OK, and your meeting will then be over. And for those who have the link, they will have been able to join you on your broadcast. And what you may want to do is you may want to create a video when they're going to log in, since the process is slightly different than other webinar systems. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.